You type a few words, hit enter, and an intricate design appears. This is the promise of AI, the ability to generate art in an instant. However, a sellable digital product requires specific technical standards. The lines must be solid black, the shading must be absent, and the complexity has to match the specific audience, whether you are designing for a toddler or an adult hobbyist. Writing these prompts manually often results in unusable pages. The AI frequently produces cluttered layouts, messy gray tones, or details that are physically impossible to color. ColorQuest Generator replaces that trial and error process with an interactive chatbot that builds the prompt structure for you. By removing the manual engineering phase, the workflow moves past creative guesswork. It creates a predictable path between an initial idea and a finished page. The process begins with style selection. You choose from 7 built-in visual foundations, ranging from classic line art and kawaii characters to intricate mandalas. Next, you identify the audience. The system needs to know if the book is intended for preschoolers, children, teens, or adults to set the appropriate detail level. From there, you provide a broad theme, like fantasy forest, and a specific sub-theme, such as a sleeping dragon. The chatbot immediately generates a professional copy-and-paste prompt. You get a technical instruction set without writing a single line of code or prompt jargon. This guided conversation changes your role. Instead of struggling with syntax, you act as a creative director, making high-level decisions about the look and feel of your product. Behind the chat interface, the software runs a rules engine known as Style and Audience Logic. This engine automatically adjusts visual weight. It calibrates line thickness and region size for the chosen age group, while filtering out undesirable elements like gray shading or overlapping textures. The system also embeds hidden negative instructions into every prompt. These safeguards prevent common AI failures, ensuring the final output has clean, separable regions that are ready for print. The software's primary utility comes from translating complex graphic design requirements into instructions the AI image generator can actually execute. While a single page is a start, a successful KDP or Etsy business depends on cohesive, multi-page collections. The generator can take a basic concept and instantly expand it into a structured, single-flow narrative story. Once the story is written, the chatbot identifies the natural narrative beats and divides the entire plot into page-by-page illustration prompts. To maintain professional quality, the system employs character consistency logic. It locks in the physical details of your protagonist, so they look identical across every scene in the book. This visual continuity is what transforms a set of random images into a premium storybook that can be sold as a complete product. The final step in the publishing process is the one most creators overlook, the presentation of the book itself. The system generates prompts for platform-compliant covers, including the front, back, and full wrap designs required for Amazon KDP uploads. It also provides prompts for marketing assets. You can generate photorealistic lifestyle mockups and bundle previews to create high-converting listings on storefronts like Etsy. Automating these design tasks removes the last barrier to entry. You can go from an initial concept to a live product listing in a single afternoon. This end-to-end pipeline handles the prompt engineering, story structure, and marketing design, so you can focus on growing your library. Click the link in the description to access ColorQuest Generator and secure your exclusive bonuses today. You can now trade the frustration of the blank page for a scalable, professional publishing workflow.